Welcome to Hey Joe, where we answer your discount hydraulic hose questions, and our tech support expert Joe gives us the answers. Let's jump in. The first question we got asked today is, how do I correctly measure the length of a hydraulic hose assembly?
If you have straight ends on each end of your hose assembly, you can just measure from end of the hose assembly, each side. That would be your overall length. And if you have any elbow fittings on your hose ends, you measure to your center line of your female swivel. And that will give you your overall length.
Sweet. The next person asked, how can I cross-reference a competitor's fitting part number with one of your products? That's actually something I can answer even. We have a resources page on our site. And if you go to resources and you find our product interchange data, we actually have sheets that show competitive part numbers for all of our hose ends and many of our hoses. Our next question is, what is the correct tightening torque for my fittings to prevent leaks or damage?
Okay, the word of mouth is hand tighten the fittings, and then 1.5 turns wrenched to get you a good torque. Do not over torque because you might damage or crack the fitting.
Sweet. That's all we have for today. Thanks for tuning in. And as always, feel free to ask us questions on the site or even in the comments on these videos, and we'll be happy to answer them for you next time. Thanks.
See you next time.